residential sliding door frame. Alright. Residential sliding door. First we will read the paperwork to make sure that we have the right job and information on here is correct. We need 4 pieces of the sliding door frame. Once we have them on the bench, we will check the miters, the drilling and the drainage is done correctly. Drain holes. So our drain holes water in here and out through the bottom of the sliding door frame. More holes in the centre and at the other end of the sliding door frame. This is very important. It's the sliding door interlock bar. Once we have all these parts, we can now seal and screw the frame together. Now we are ready to seal the interlock bar and the miters of the sliding door frame before we screw it together. We will check the milling and make sure there's all the burrs are free of burrs and is clean. It's all these little jobs that are more important. This is a 8x50 panhead screw and we will screw the interlock mullion up. Seal 4 corners of the sliding door frame and then we will attach the other 2 jambs to the frame. Now we will assemble the corners with 6x20 panhead framing screws. Fit the wheels and making sure that the adjustment screw is facing towards the outside of the panel. Once we have glazed our sliding door, we will put the panel in and test to see if it slides and locks. Wide open. Slide.